Welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Eastiana, and today I want to share 3 breezy summer hairstyles that I love. They're super easy because they're meant to be messy, so you don't have to worry about being perfect. Totally optional, but for all of them, I like to use my Luxy Hair Extensions in chocolate brown. I start by clipping up my hair at the back and clipping in a 4-clip weft of extensions right at the roots. I usually do 4 wefts at the back and 2 clip wefts plus a couple 1-clip wefts on the sides to add mega length and volume to these hairstyles. I really love long hair in the summer because long hair don't care, you know? I also wanted to mention that I'm working with second day hair because I find slightly dirtier hair holds these messy styles better, and I'm not going for a smooth and shiny look. The first hairstyle is inspired by the classic beachy hair. I live in the city, so creating these effortlessly messy bohemian loose waves requires steps equivalent to hanging out by the ocean. To start, you can either use a salt spray or a dry texturizing mousse like I am to scrunch up your hair and start creating that bohemian messy texture. Scrunch, shake, rub, honestly get as messy as you want. The messier the better with this look. Now you could stop here, add a little hairspray and call it a day, but to really accentuate this look, I'm using a 1-inch barrel curling wand. You want to wrap 1-inch pieces around the barrel, but make sure to leave out 1 to 2 inches at the ends. This is a key difference between regular curls and loose waves for that beachy style. It's also important to switch directions for each piece that you curl. So one piece I'll wrap around towards me, and the next I'll wrap around the barrel away from me, again leaving out a bit at the ends. In a more put together, smoother waves look, you wouldn't necessarily switch up curl directions, but because this look is supposed to be messy and a bit more wild looking, alternating directions is the key. Once you're done curling, I don't want these waves looking too perfect, so I'll add a bit more dry texturizing mousse. This time, instead of rubbing, I use an upward scrunching technique so I don't flatten any curls. To add a bit more volume and lift, dry shampoo is your go-to. In the summer, dry shampoo is also a great daily hair trick for absorbing sweat and oil, which tends to come with the hotter temperatures. Just apply, rub, and lift for more volume and texture at the roots. Okay, now to set the look for the rest of the day, spritz a little hairspray to prevent the look from falling flat or frizzing up if it's a humid day. The second look is a great third day hairstyle because, again, it's messy and can help hide your roots if you find yourself getting a little oily up there. Start by pulling out some face framing front pieces or bangs, then grab a 2-inch section from the front and pull it around back. I'm just going to pin this with a bobby pin. Then I'll take a second bobby pin and cross pin it into an X shape. Then I will just repeat this, crossing 2 bobby pins to secure the hair back and starting to create this X pattern that resembles a crown. Crossing bobby pins like this looks really cool for a summer festival or an easy boho inspired hairstyle, but it's also convenient because X's hold hair more securely than just 1 bobby pin by itself. Okay, the last hairstyle is also another great messy look that I love because it's quick and hides bad hair days well. Pull all your hair onto one side first and separate out face framing pieces. Secure the rest of your hair into a low side ponytail. Next, create 2 separate sections by splitting the pony in half. Take the front piece and separate that into 2 sections left and right now. Bring these sections around back and secure with a small elastic behind the back section. This is the basis for a pull-through braid. Easy, right? Now just repeat this by splitting the back section, which has actually now become the front section. Bring the two split sections around back and secure with another small elastic. I just repeat the splitting in half and pull around back process 2 more times, so I have 4 pull-throughs. Optional step, but I like to braid the rest of my hair into a regular 3-section braid to end it off. Now to create a more messy, effortless effect, pancake the braid by gently pulling apart the sections you pulled around back. Also make sure to pancake out the bottom braided part so everything is even looking. Because the sun can be really drying, I like to smooth out my ends and nourish them with a hair oil. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 summer hairstyle ideas. Which messy look would you rock for the summer? Let us know in a comment below, or give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, subscribe for more hair tutorials, and we'll see you next time.